Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you're gonna use Google Tag Manager and connect it to WordPress. So let's get right into it. I'm using the Tag Manager Help Center for this since I do not have the ability to install plugins on my WordPress due to me having a free plan. So I'm just going to be using this to explain everything to you guys, and I hope it will be all understandable. So the first thing we're going to do, and I'm just going to go to WordPress for this first step, and that is to go to the plugin marketplace and search for the site kit, which again you do need the business plan or higher for, and just install it and activate it on your WordPress site since it is needed for both methods I will be covering. Now what you need to do is just log into your WordPress website, install the site kit, and then once you install and activate it, we can then just go ahead and click on start setup. Once you go into the site kit, then you need to sign into your Google account, and after you complete the setup, from the left navigation menu, just select Sitekit and then click on settings here. If your tag has a W, what you're going to do is connect more services, or click on connect more services in the Sitekit settings, locate the Google Ad service, click setup ads, and enter the Google Tag ID in the field below, and that should be it. It looks something like this. Now once you're done with that, that should be it. However, if your tag starts with a G, what you're going to need to do again is install Sitekit and activate it, and then sign in with Google, and then select the Google account with an existing Google Analytics property. So you need to set that up as well if you have it. And then after you grant it permission, you just need to proceed to verify site ownership, click allow to grant access, and add the site to the search console. Then set up Google Analytics, and then choose your pre-existing analytics property and select complete setup, and that should be pretty much it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys by doing it myself, but I don't have access to plugins. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.